So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So we know that since past few days, the stock is in little correction. So especially after entering into the ASM category. So what is ASM? So clearly yesterday in Happiest Minds video, I've discussed about that particular topic. So ASM stands for Additional Surveillance Measures. So the stocks which are having little bit of high volatility, in order to control and protect the retail investors, so they put those type of stocks into ASM category, and there would be different stages like stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So like that, different stages would be present. So this particular stock HFCL is also included in that particular ASM category. So that's why little bit of weakness is present. So last time when you have done the complete technical followed by quarter result analysis, we have seen that quarter on quarter basis little decrement was present, but year on year basis the company has performed very well. So today we'll try to see what are the next regions that we need to focus, and the same way we'll discuss few important things that we need to focus with respect to this particular stock. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you will not miss any latest updates followed by stocks for short term. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving further towards the day-to-day wise deliveries in HFCL, so we can observe that 100% it is present because it is already included in the NSE BE category. So basically, when we discussed yesterday about Happiest Minds case, when it has come out of this particular whatever ASM list, so how well the stock has started moving up, because that particular category adds little weakness to any stock. So when it comes out of that particular region, so it gets that particular freedom and we see the stock going upside. So HFCL also has a very good presence in the 5G equipment base, but recently also when the pledging has been released and when some positive updates were also present, the stock has also given 20% upper circuit. It has gone even to 95 rupees level. So after the quarter results were declared, so little bit of we can say weakness followed by it has entered into the ASM list. So this completely has made the stock look little weak, but nothing to worry. You can keep holding this particular stock, especially who have taken at the high regions. So not only in NSE BE category, we recently have seen many stocks are trying to retrace from that particular levels. So don't worry. So now we'll try to go to the technical charts. So there we'll try to see what are the important support regions that we need to focus. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts of HFCL. So you can see this is the weekly chart time frame. So clearly you can say this particular week a complete red candle has been formed from the top levels because of the little bit of profit booking. So obviously these type of things keep happening, and the stock has also given some very good movement in the short term as well. So same thing, if you see the support regions wise, we can say 73 is going to be one of the important support region that we need to focus. So once if it approaches, definitely you can watch that particular level. And weekly chart, if you see the money flow index has not dropped much, it is still in the 92 zone itself. So nobody is willing to sell. So a good holding is present in this particular stock. So presence is there because I can say that profit is reported only quarter on quarter basis. We have seen decrement, but year on year basis it has performed very well. So already we discussed each and everything, the consolidated result, standalone result, how the company has performed. We have done all the comparisons. So if you have not watched the video, so do watch it. So almost 2 days back only we have discussed all these important points. Okay, so next if we move further and if we see the 1 day chart, so there you can see today it has come below one of the good support region of the 79-80 rupees level. So that was a very good region. So from where earlier also we have seen some very good up move. So it has come little bit down, and you can see the next support, as I told, 75 and 73. So this particular region is going to be very, very important. So people who want to watch, or if you want to do average, you can watch out that particular level. I know personally many people have invested near 94, 95. I've seen many comments in Instagram as well. So if you want to average, you can watch that particular level. So this is going to be very important. And another important thing, in daily chart time frame, we can see the money flow index is near the 76 region. So it is also in a very good zone. So don't worry about that. So many stocks have gone to ASM recently because of the market also is having good positive trends. So you can see Nifty is almost at all-time high, and all the stocks are having some very good momentum. So mainly they focus on these type of companies where huge volatility is present. So they put those stocks into ASM category. So recently all the stocks which have come out of it have shown some huge uptrend. Okay, so remember these things. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.